and I happen to both be celebrating our birthdays very soon, so I've invited my good friend Chef Rob here to help us whip up a couple special birthday cocktails. So thanks for being with me, Rob.
It's a pleasure to be here.
Oh, so it looks like we're making two different ones. We each get one, right?
You each get your own drink.
Okay.
Okay, but I need your help on this.
I'm good with that.
Okay.
This looks fun. What do we got?
The first one we're doing is a Flaming S'mores Martini.
Oh, done. I call dibs on. Actually, I might call dibs on both of them, but that's okay.
Okay, so I'm going to get you started while I make the drink.
Okay.
What we have here is we actually have some of that gooey marshmallow spread.
Can I just like?
Yeah, you can. And then we have some crushed graham crumbs and some powdered hot chocolate, and then we have a marshmallow for garnish. So if you would like to start by dipping this glass in here, and then we have to mix these two here and just give it a nice little swirl through.
I can rim a drink. I'm pretty good with that.
Right.
Caesars tend to be my go-to, but I'm excited. I'm excited for this. Ooh, okay, yeah, this stuff's like uber sticky.
Yes, it is.
Like my cup just kind of suctioned to it.
So
okay, there we go.
I'm starting with a chocolate liqueur here.
Oh, okay.
You can use like creme de cacao if you want, which is more flavored, but it doesn't really have this chocolatey color. Okay. But it is still okay because what we're going after here is that flavor profile.
I love it. That kind of layered little bit everything with it, right?
Absolutely.
Okay, I like this.
So we got that chocolate liqueur.
I'm gonna totally use like the end of this little skewer here to mix.
Just give it a good mix. Have a little fun with it.
I love drinks that have like really pretty garnishes. And how often do you go to a restaurant, you're starving, and you start with a drink, you need something with an edible garnish, right?
You know, sometimes I like that cocktail as like the appetizer.
Yeah, absolutely. We're pretty big on that ourselves. Ooh.
So as you're doing that in here, I have that chocolate liqueur. Okay. I have a little bit of vodka.
I like it.
I have some.
Where would you like this?
You can just set it right in front there.
Beautiful.
Now I'm going to get a little bit of ice in here. Now this.
Is this a shaken or stirred?
Yeah. Sorry, I'm just going to use my hands.
I think your hands are clean.
Yeah, I washed them before. So this one you don't necessarily have to shake. If you want to, you can. But you know what? I'm just going to give this one just a nice little stir.
Okay. And we pour that in. It looks like a grown-up hot chocolate.
It is. It's
cold.
It's a grown-up cold chocolate.
I like it.
Okay, and then what we're going to do is we are just going to pour this.
Strain it through. So your ice does. Usually you don't want the ice in with this.
We do not want the ice in with it.
Okay.
Okay. Now, this is very important. Now, you have to get a alcohol that is at least 40%, which means it's 80 proof.
Okay.
So
Is this going to burn?
It is going to burn, but what we want to do is we want to make sure that it stays on the top. So we're going to just pour it over the back of a spoon here.
Okay.
And what that is going to do...
Just floats it on the top.
It just floats it right on the top.
Lovely.
There you go.
How big of a fire hazard is
It's actually not that big of a
So you'd actually put this on and light it. You're going to get a bit of a flame.
Yeah.
Now, we do have one more drink, guys, but unfortunately, we are running out of time. So we'll throw the recipe for that one up on our website, markandmandy.com. These look delicious, Chef. Quickly, what's the name of that one?
That one is a blue jalapeno margarita.
Love it. Awesome. Guys, that's all the time we have for today. We'll see you next time on The Mark and Mandy Show.
Thanks for watching The Mark and Mandy Show. Like our video by clicking below and subscribe to our YouTube channel.